Welcome to my painting channel, Rita's Art Studio. Today I'll be painting hydrangeas and I'll be using acrylic paints to paint them. So come along, paint with me. So what I've got here is a 14 by 18 inch canvas board. What I've done is I randomly painted the background with greens, reds, yellows, a few browns, and after that I just sketched out some where I want my flowers, which I sketched out with chalk, and now I'm going to go about painting it. I've got a bristle brush about this size and I've got blue color. My hydrangeas are going to be blue, purpley blue. I've got red and I've got a bit of black. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the blue, a little bit of red to make it a nice dark purpley color. I want it as a base coat. I'll add a smidgen bit of black base coat. I'm applying it on thickly, randomly. I'll put some black at the bottom because the light is coming from the top, so I want the shadows to be at the bottom. Yeah, like I was saying, hydrangeas look like puffs of flowers. They're actually small little flowerlets that come out as these puffs. Just turn your brush around and move it around to get little dashes of color to represent the little flowerlets. Make the edges uneven. Hydrangeas are fun to paint because they are abstract. Nature gives you abstract things to work on and have fun with. I like this blue color. It's ultramarine blue. Oh wow, look at that blue. Awesome. I just love colors. I love playing with colors. Just have fun, you know. Painting is such fun. Turn your brush around and just dab it. Basically I'm using dabbing motions, as you can see. And if it comes out here like this, don't worry. Acrylics is very forgiving. You can always cover it up later. In fact, why not make it a little bigger? And that's a good way to cover it up. Can you hear the cuckoos? It's summer here in India. It's sweltering hot. And this is the season of cuckoos. So this is sort of a mid-tone that I'm putting in. As you can see, it's all about layers. You put layer upon layer until you feel it's done. I'm twisting and turning my brush around to give it, so that it doesn't become uniform strokes. So I've taken another brush. I've taken some blue, some red, mixing up the blue and red to make it a nice purple. Mix white with it to get a pinkish tone, and I'm going to put some on top to give it a lighter tone on top. So I've got some blue, ultramarine blue, yellow, make a nice olive green. I'll add some of this bright green. I'm mixing blue and green. Add some yellow to it, add more blue to it, and I want to draw the stalks. They have thick bunches of leaves, hydrangeas. So I want to put some more leaves inside. I'm just making it up. It's not from any picture. I've referred to photos from Pixabay and I've got the general idea how to paint the flowers, and I'm making up the background. That's it. Use your imagination, it's fun. So this is the finish painting. As you can see, I've added leaves, more leaves at the bottom. I've added more branches. Let me get closer and show you a closer view. These are the leaves. I've added some white dabs of paint on top of the hydrangeas, and I've added more yellow mixed with white to depict sunshine filtering through the branches and leaves.